Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna help you to log into Delta Airlines employee account. Watch this video till the end. If you're new to our channel, subscribe our channel and tap bell icon so that you won't miss any upcoming videos. Firstly, open any web browser on your PC. Now type Delta Airlines employee login and press enter on your keyboard. After that, click on first link sign in Delta login. From here, you will direct it to its login page. Now type in Delta login or PPR and your password. Now click on sign in button. You will be logged in to your account. But if you are having trouble in signing in to your account, tap on trouble signing in. New page will open where you have to follow steps and recover your password. After typing all the details correctly, tap on sign in to log in into your account. I hope this video helped you to sign in to your account. If it did, don't forget to give the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon so that you won't miss any upcoming videos. I will be back with more videos. Keep watching.